Hey guys, it's Bree Halo here, and this is my Yondu Udonta makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with your friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials in the comments box below. And remember to click that little bell next to the subscribe button so you're always alerted when I post new content. So this is obviously from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Hope you guys enjoy. I had to take out my lenses partway through the video because my eyes were just not liking them today. They were alright to go in, but like with all the tape and everything compressing my forehead, it just made my eyes water and not appreciate me jabbing contacts into them, so I took them out. But on most of the reference images that I used, you couldn't actually tell what colour his eyes were. They did go from like a dark bluish green to a brown to a pinkish colour to a red, so I just took it up to interpretation.